Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Are you looking for the best video converter? In this video, I'll try out two popular tools and explain exactly how they work and compare them so you can choose the best one for your workflow. Let's go. After exploring various options, I've narrowed it down to my top two personal favorites that work best for me: Wondershare UniConverter and EaseUS Video Kit. You might think that I only considered user reviews and ratings when picking them, but is the number of stars the only factor you should consider? As I introduce each video converter, you can find direct download links in the description box to follow along using a free trial. Obviously, one of the most important factors to consider is conversion speed. How quickly can a program convert gigabytes of video? Let's test them out and compare them in real time. To make a fair comparison, I will use the same 1.52 gigabytes MKV file for both and convert it to MP4 with the same resolution settings. Wondershare UniConverter converted the 1.52 gigabyte video to MP4 in just 15 seconds. Another advantage is that the output file size is the same as the original, suggesting no loss of quality. On the other hand, EaseUS Video Kit was just 1 second quicker, completing the same task in only around 14 seconds. However, there's a small catch. The output file size increases slightly, from 1.52 gigabytes to 1.54 gigabytes. It's a minor difference, but still something to consider. Are you wondering why they're both so fast? It's simple. They both come equipped with high-speed conversion functionality, which allows them to process your files much faster than typical converters. Ultimately, the choice between them comes down to personal preference. To help you out though, let me highlight one final key difference. EaseUS Video Kit offers fixed resolution options that support up to 4K quality. Meanwhile, Wondershare UniConverter is more dynamic. It supports 8K video quality and offers customizable dimensions beyond the preset options. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.